Hey friends, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. In this video, I am just making another basic block. I've painted a base coat of Waverly White chalk paint. I let that dry, and then I'm taking Mod Podge and I'm going to brush on a layer of Mod Podge. And then I'm going to let the Mod Podge dry. I found this absolutely beautiful napkin at Home Goods, and I'm going to separate all the layers. This was a 3-ply napkin, so you have to make sure that you get all of those layers separated because you only need the very top layer. If you leave a layer on, your napkin will not stick to your board. This is a really nice size napkin. I'm going to be able to use it for a lot of projects. I have positioned my little board down in the corner, and I'm putting parchment paper over the top of the board, and then I'm going to use my iron and just iron over the top of the parchment paper. This will cause that Mod Podge to melt into the napkin, causing that napkin to adhere to the board really well. Now I'm just taking my little sander and I'm going to sand around the edges and clean up the block. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to set the little block to the side, and I'm going to take a piece of cardstock that I found in a package of cardstock from Dollar Tree actually, and I am placing a ruler and I'm going to score the cardstock. And I'm doing this because this is going to help me be able to rip the cardstock where I want to rip it, and to kind of keep it in line and not get it really messy. Once I'm finished with that, I have picked a stencil here that says Bloom. I think this will be really cute and fitting well with the napkin that has all these beautiful flowers on it. I am using a makeup wedge to stencil on my word, and I'm using black flat acrylic paint. Time for the reveal. Clean lines. I am so satisfied with clean lines. I love it when I don't get any bleeding at all. So I'm just taking a fine tip brush now and crossing in the little bridges left behind from where the stencil held in the centers of the letters. Now I'm taking a little brush and some dark sealing wax, and I'm just going to go around the edge of the cardstock. I love the look that it's giving. It's absolutely so cute, and I'm also doing that to my board as well. The next step is to just turn that little cardstock over, put some Mod Podge on the back, and then glue that down to the front of the board. I also put the parchment paper back over and just use the iron a little bit to secure it. And lastly, I'm making a cute little bow, simple and sweet, out of some jute twine. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, I hope that you will spread it out there for me. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.